This will be a tutorial on how to make a bibliography for your research paper that we're doing or your study that we're doing. I think the easiest way to do it is to go to EasyBib. So we're just going to go here, Google search it, and you'll see EasyBib here. We'll just go to here. And I asked Mr. Christensen, and he says that he has his students use the MLA, so that's what we're going to use is this one. Now, notice where we're getting this. This is a journal, where we're getting the information as a journal. So we're going to put it here. Now, sometimes you can just copy and paste the article in here, and it'll do the citing for you. But I'm going to take you through the manual part. So we're going to hit Manual Cite. Okay, so again, we could search for that journal, but we're not going to do it. Okay, so here we need the article title. Now, here is my downloaded article. Okay, this is it. But I also have it on ProQuest. Okay, so sometimes I need the information off both. So I'm just going to copy the title into it, and I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, then I need to put the authors. On this particular case, we see that there are two authors, Alex Bowers and Matthew Berland. So I have to type both of those in here. Okay, author first name is Alex, middle name was Jay, and last name was Bowers, B-O-W-E-R-S. Okay, now I have another one, so I'm going to have to add another contributor. This person was Matthew Berland. So first name is Matthew, and last name is Berland. Okay, got that. The journal title, well, it came from Educational Technology Research and Development. That's the name of the journal. Okay, or if you want to look here, it will have it right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste from right here. I'm going to copy that, paste it right here. Now that's not the name of the article, it's the name of the journal in which the article was found. Okay, so volume and issue. Now I didn't see the volume and issue here, though it may be here somewhere. It may be up here. Looks like, but if I go back to here and the details, and I see it's volume 61, issue 1. So we got volume 61, issue 1, nothing for the series. We got the published date, okay, so that is right here we see this, October 6th of 2012. 6th of October 2012. Pages, back to here, I think they're actually up here. That looks like volume 61, those are the pages, but certainly if I go here, it says pages 51 to 69. Location, well, we got it from a database, so we got it from ProQuest. Okay, we don't have to put the URL in here. So that's basically it. Now I hit create citation. Okay, sometimes you get an ad blocker thing you got to take off. But in this case, here is the citation right here. It's done all the work for me. So all I have to do is copy and paste this citation. Okay, in fact, it says right there, copy and paste. So this is done exactly right. I will copy that, and then into my sample or my bibliography thing, I just paste that. Now these need to be in alphabetical orders, and actually I wonder if it should be indented. So it's copied. Now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to delete this one here, and now I'm going to paste it. Okay, it does it the same. Yeah, sometimes I think this is supposed to be indented, but it is not. But there it is. You have cited this source. Now the next one that you put in, if you have 3, you do the same thing, copy and paste it, and then paste it into here. So if I had a second one, I can do it this way. Or if you don't want to copy and paste, I just lost it. No, I didn't. I have it right here. I could just copy it exactly the way it is. You can edit it here. Here's our ad blocker stuff. You get that ad blocker, what I found is you got to go here and then don't run on this page, I think is the way to go with it. And it'll let it go through. Yes, it will. And that's all there really is to it. I can help you again in class, but again, this is what we're looking for. This is your citation right here. And you just put it into your bibliography, and we have it right there. And so when you complete your bibliography, it takes really the work out of it. So it's just making sure that you keep the stuff. Now let's say that you had downloaded this onto your computer, but you didn't have it in ProQuest, and you can't find, let's say, the pages or something. Well, then you have it. Just do this, copy. If we're in ProQuest, granted this is the article, but let's say I just paste this in here, hit search, and that one should come up. And then when that comes up, I think it would be, well, you will be able to find it. We might want to do this to make sure that we go word for word on that. Ooh, why am I not finding it? This is where I found it. Well, I was hoping to be able to quickly find this. But it's here. You should be able to re-find it again. If you found it once, you should be able to find it again. And you should be able to put the search in with the title. You would think you would find it. But after you find it again, then you go to like the full text of it. And then this other information that I had was, I think it was details. Abstract and details, and that gives you this down here. I apologize, that ending didn't go very well, but if you're looking for, if you find that article again, if you have your original one but you can't find everything you need, you should be able to find it again on ProQuest if that's where you found it originally. Hopefully this was somewhat helpful. Again, we will cover this in class, but if you missed class or you need a review, it's here.